Hi! Today I'm excited to share with you 2 lamb's ear Christmas projects, and we'll start with this really cute wreath. I begin by taking a lamb's ear floral I got from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just clipping off all the leaves. Once I have them all snipped off, I'm going to separate them by size. When I begin, I'm going to use my bigger leaves first, so I put the smaller ones aside. And then I grab my wreath form, and I'm just going to hot glue the leaves onto the wreath by rotating large to medium in between. I also make sure that I overlap them and that they're going in the same direction. When I'm finished with my first layer of large and medium leaves, I'm going to go in with these small and tiny ones and just put some hot glue on the ends of them and tuck them in. I kind of rotate between the small and the tiny. Next, I'm going to use these stemmed berries I got from Hobby Lobby. The stems are a little long, so I'm going to trim them down, and then I will tuck them into my wreath and hot glue them into place. Finally, I'm going to grab some red velvet ribbon and use this to hang my wreath with. And I'll just make a loop to hang, and then I will also make a bow to put at the top of the loop. And there you have it, a simple lamb's ear wreath. Now we're going to make this little lamb's ear tree. Once again, I'm going to begin by trimming off some leaves from the floral I got from Hobby Lobby, and then I will separate them by size. I'm going to start with my largest leaf size at the bottom, and I want to make sure that I overlap the leaves as I work my way around. I'm just going to use a hot glue gun to hot glue them on. After the first round of large leaves, I'm going to use my medium leaves for the next round. In the following round, I'm going to use the medium-sized leaves once more. In my next round, I'm going to move on to my small size leaves, and then I will finish the top with the tiny leaves. Finally, I just want to add some other things to it. You could do bows or any other type of decorative piece. I'm going to use these berries again and glue them onto my tree. I hope you liked today's video. If you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments down below what other types of videos you'd like to see. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!